Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up to Parler. Parler is an American all-tech microblogging and social networking service. To create an account and sign up for Parler, you can visit the website, which is parler.com. As soon as you land on the website of Parler, you can see an interface similar to this. Now to sign up, you can click on Join Parler. Now you can either sign up using your mobile number or your email address. Choose any of the preferred options. After you're done, you can click on Sign up with email. Now you can create a password or it will auto-generate a password for you. If you like the password, you can keep this, or if you want, you can also create your own password. After you're done, you can hit continue. Now type in your display name and your username. Check these boxes and then click on I am a human. After you're done, you can click on agree and join. Now here are the interests or topics that you can choose which are of your interests. Pick a few and then hit continue. Now a code will be sent to your email address. You need to enter the code to be able to sign up. After you're done, click on verify. And just like that, you have been signed up for Parler. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a thumbs up. And we'll be back soon with more content similar to this. Thank you for watching.